Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator on PC. First, let's ensure your computer is ready for takeoff. For a smooth experience, aim for at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a modern graphics card with 8 gigabytes of dedicated RAM. You'll also need a fast solid-state drive with about 150 gigabytes of free space. An Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 processor or better will provide excellent performance. Once your system is prepared, it's time to install the simulator. You can typically find it on popular digital platforms such as Steam or the Xbox application. While a keyboard and mouse work, a dedicated flight stick or yoke will significantly enhance your immersion and control precision. Don't forget a comfortable headset for clear audio. Make sure all your chosen peripherals are connected and their drivers are up to date before launching the game. With the game installed and your gear ready, it's time for your maiden voyage. Begin with the comprehensive in-game tutorials. They are invaluable for understanding fundamental controls and navigation. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the cockpit instruments and their functions. Practice basic maneuvers like takeoff and landing in a simpler aircraft, perhaps a Cessna 152. The world map allows you to choose any airport globally for your flight. Microsoft Flight Simulator offers an unparalleled virtual world to explore. You can fly over thousands of real-world airports and marvel at iconic global landmarks rendered in stunning detail. Don't hesitate to try out various aircraft, from nimble propeller planes to massive commercial jets. Experience dynamic weather conditions and adjust the time of day for unique flight scenarios. The vibrant community also provides countless add-ons to further enhance your simulation experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.